Welcome to the future of backtesting and journaling for your trading. Let me introduce you to my trading journey. This is a software that I use day in, day out to become a better trader every single day. So the first thing that we're going to be doing is looking at the MTJ dashboard. On the top right, you can see add an account. Here you will add your trading account that you like to trade with and you want to see analysis on it and you want to journal from it. You have MT4, MT5, Match Trader, or Trade Locker. All you have to do is put your account name in, the platform that the account is on. You don't have to put a start date because it will just import all the records. You put your broker in, your server, your name, etc. Once the account is connected to the dashboard, you simply go to my dashboard here and you'll get a bunch of information on the account that you have connected, whether it be a GFT account, an FTMO account, anything that allows MT4, MT5, Trade Locker, or Match Trader will be able to jump onto this dashboard. Here we can analyze everything to do with this account. So we have our net P&L overall here. We have our trade win rate here. We have our profit factor. And this is one of my favorite parts. So this is the London, New York, Asia, and outside sessions. This will tell you your win rate in the sessions that you are trading. So as you can see, New York session has a much higher win rate than London. So maybe I should trade more in the New York session. Here we have our equity line of our accounts. We have our average win, average loss, best week, worst week. These are just really nice statistics to see how our account is performing. The calendar we have here is you can go back into where your trades have been placed. And as you can see, throughout July and August was where this account was mainly traded. And it gives us the trades on specific days of the week. You can see 5 trading days, daily win rate of 40%. Winning trades is 2, losing trades is 3. Okay. So on the first week, we lost $30. Second week, we lost 230. And then the third week, we made 452. So maybe we can have a look to see where we went wrong in these given dates. Maybe we like to trade Thursdays. Maybe we don't like to trade Mondays, etc. We can get all this data. Here you can analyze the trade distribution of the day by week. So Mondays, we typically lose quite a lot. So maybe not trade Mondays, like I said. Wins, we usually win on a Tuesday. So trade more Tuesdays, and break evens, we don't have to look at that. So weekday we have here, this is our profit percentage. So typically on a Wednesday, we make more money. And this is the session percentage. So typically on New York session, we make more money. And then here we have Euro USD, which is the most traded pair. Your net cumulative P&L over here, which is a really nice chart. And we have our net daily P&L here. We have all these statistics down here, which are also on the GFT dashboard. You can review all the recent trades that you've been carrying out with open trades, if there are any. And you can have a look at your long versus short. So we have total winners of 13 and total losers of 10, with our best win being $1,500 and our worst loss being $400. Our average win on this one is $500 and our average loss is 260. So for me, that win to reward, risk to reward is very, very good. So that is the beautiful dashboard for your account, just to do a bit of analysis and see how your account is performing. You go on to your sessions. So the back testing, this is where you want to be spending the evening on, practicing strategies, building strategies, whatever it may be. To create a strategy, all you have to do is jump on here. Maybe our new strategy will be MTJ video, and our description can be anything. So now our strategy is created. We can go top right, new session. Once the new session is created, we can create an account. So our balance, we want $1,000, for example. I typically trade gold, so XAE USD. Start date, we're just going to take it back to wherever we like in the market. Our strategy now is going to be MTJ video. We're going to call this MTJ video as well, and then description, so on and so forth. And then at the bottom, press create new. Once the session is created, press resume on here, and you will get given your backtesting software. At the top here, you can select the timeframes that you like, all of the indicators. So this is basically trading view on MTJ. Okay, so I usually trade on the 15-minute time frame. This potentially is looking like a good short. So all I'm going to do is go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down here. I'm going to click the arrow here, and I'm going to pick a long or short position. I've favorited these so they go to the bottom dash here, but you can join them on here as well. So we're going to go for a short position on there, and I'm going to place my SL just above that high, maybe give myself a bit of room, and our take profit maybe can be down here. So I typically trade 1 to 3s. So the way I do that is look at the risk to reward ratio on here, and we're just going to enlarge this a little bit. So we go Once we have our trade placed and we're happy with the trade, we press place order up here. And as you can see on the right side, it will jump onto this dashboard. Once this is done, we put our risk on. I want to risk maybe $100 of this $1,000 account, so 10%. And all I do is press place order. Now you can see our SL, sell, and TP is set. At the bottom here, you can press play, and that will basically play the chart out for you. We can see what this trade does. Again, I'm just hindsight trading. Like I don't know what's going to happen. This is an educational video for you guys to become profitable traders. This is for you guys to use this platform. And as you can see, at the top it says realize P&L there. And we have our total P&L with our total trades. Let's just take one more just for the video, just to show you guys one more time. So we go onto these, we press maybe a long position, and we'll place our risk to reward, which is in the center here. So I usually trade a free risk to reward. We're going to press place order at the top. We're going to go on here and risk $100, for example. We're in a buy. Our take profit and stop loss is set from this tool, and then we press place order, and then we play the chart out. And as you can see, beautiful. We tagged our take profit, but the beautiful thing with this as well is like it is to the T, so it's perfect. So that's our trade done. We are currently up $200 with one win and one loss. So that's the back testing. Really, really useful tool. We can go to the journey now, the journal now. This is going to be similar to the calendar on the dashboard. This is going to be where you can look through all your given trades that you've been trading on the account, and potentially if you click on this trade, you can make some notes on the trade. Maybe I risked too much, but it worked out, etc. And then you can put a note on that trade, and you can have a look through any of the information on these trades, and you can kind of go through all the trades and figure out what trades were good and make notes on it. And this could be your one-stop journaling area. Here is going to be our trade log. So this is just going to be an overview of all the trades that were carried out on the account. And it's very useful for us to have a look through what type of trades that we're doing. And you can use this drop-down menu just to deselect any information that we like, okay? We can go to my reports now. So this is just going to be an overall look of the account. So you can see this information over here is brilliant for us to have a look into. We can have a look at our net cumulative P&L. This is very similar to the dashboard, but it's kind of summarizing a lot for us, okay? Wins versus losses. You can see this is kind of very good for you to screenshot and maybe post on your Instagram story or send to your friends. And it will give you a really nice overview on how your account's performance is. And then, of course, we have our calendar where we can look at what specific days and times, and we have our calendar down here again. The track record is a really useful tool for us. So if you want to present your account to your friends, maybe you're really proud of your account, you want to put it on your social media page or anything like that, all I want you to do is go to the bottom left down here, click the settings, go onto track record, and make all of these public. And you can pick and choose which you want to make public. Maybe we don't want our lot size public. Maybe we don't want our trade history public. So we'll just private them and have our account and balance public there. So now that's done, all we have to do is press share your link. This link is now copied. And what this will do for us is it will present this to people that click the link. So it will present this account for people to have a look through how I'm trading. Maybe I have a social media following and I want to prove to people that the accounts that I'm trading on are becoming profitable, etc., how much I'm making per month, things like that, proving my track record, proving that I'm actually a trader. And as you can see, our trade history is private and our lot size is private as well. So you can private anything that you like if you want to share with friends or anything like that. That's a really useful tool for you to present your work to other people. University is a brilliant section that we like to present to our traders that are potentially new. Maybe you're looking for new strategies to test out. The education sector is a great area to click on a video, watch, and then maybe use the backtesting software and also use the dashboard to analyze your accounts that you're actually trading on as well. So this is just a great area to get a bit of research, get a bit of knowledge from our owner, Eduardo. Here we have our tools section. So this is going to be your lot size calculator. So for example, if you are worrying about what lot size to use, or maybe you don't know what stop to use or TP and etc., sometimes lot size can be quite difficult to understand. So for example, if we have a stop loss of 20 pips, okay, we can leave this here because it does it for us. Maybe we have a 200 $1,000 account. We want to risk 1%. Okay. And then we calculate this. So now our lot size is 10. So this just gives us the 10 lot size if our stop loss is this, and it will give us the money at risk, etc. Really useful tool just for seeing quickly how what correct lot size to use. We have our economic calendar here. This is just a very basic import from TradingView. This gives us all the important news from today. So anything that we have from today. So today is the 30th of October, and we can have a look if any of these are really important for us to trade on. And again, it's just on your MTJ dashboard. If you have MTJ and you use it quite frequently, you typically will keep it open all the time. So it's a great area to look for lot size calculator, economic news, and the other elements that we want to talk about. So news is very important to trade with, of course, and the next important thing is a heat map. So we want to see what pairs are performing best. So we have our primary and secondary pairs, and we want to track the market's performance and potentially look for buys or sells in certain areas. So as you can see, if we have a look at Euro GBP, it's up quite nicely. Maybe if we go into this sector that's quite bright red, GBP AUD is down a bit. So maybe we can look for short positions in there or even longs, and this gives you an overall market sentiment on how the pairs are doing. And for me, if I want to look at Euro USD here, I think it actually, yeah, USD dollar. So if we want to go Euro here and then no, so Euro USD here, sorry. So the primary is on the left side and the secondary is on the top. It will give us a chart on TradingView there. So that's brilliant. So primary on the top, secondary on the side. And then we, of course, have TradingView. So we have TradingView charts for you guys to use. For example, I'm maybe working on my trading journey, and I want to quickly look at gold because I'm currently in a gold trade. And I look at that and I'm like, okay, cool, that's fine. You can get rid of all these indicators and you can just use it as a normal TradingView chart. Mentor mode here is really useful if you have students that work with MTJ. I can click on a student here, which is me, and I can see the net P&L of this account. Again, this is just going to be a testing account, so this is not a reflection of my own trading, but we can see that this is going to be our net P&L, and you can review the stats and have a look how your students are performing. And if we go back to mentor mode, back here, mentor mode, you can add mentees and just invite your friends that have MTJ journey portfolios, and then you can add their accounts onto your mentor mode, which is brilliant. And that is going to be everything for my trading journey. Extremely useful software for beginner traders to advanced traders. I'm a full-time trader and I use this every single day to enhance my trading. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to comment and message the support team if you need any help.